Welcome to Kate's Cooking. I'm Emily.
And I'm Megan.
And today, for our father's birthday, we'll be making a yellow cake. To make the yellow cake, the ingredients you'll need are 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, a cup of milk, half a cup of margarine or butter, 1½ cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of flour. Alright, let's put the ingredients in. After you have all your ingredients in, you can take a handheld or an electric mixer and just mix until pretty much smooth. Smooth, you need a greased pan and something to smooth it with.